Good morning, everyone. If you want to pair your Sensi Wi-Fi thermostat to your Alexa, this is the video for you, and we'll start right after this. Okay, in case we haven't met before, my name is John Bell. I'm a retired school teacher and I'm now a full-time YouTuber. Today I'm going to show you how to pair your Alexa with the Sensi Wi-Fi thermostat. Now, this is part 3 in the series. I'm going to put a card up over here for parts 1 and 2. Okay, part 1 was installation, part 2 was the Sensi app, and part 3, which is this one, is now how to hook it to Alexa. So it's a total smartphone rig. Okay, so let's go to the overhead and we will do this. Okay, you see I have the Alexa sitting here and I'm about ready to fire up the smartphone. Now if you have the Alexa app, not YouTube, get rid of that, the Alexa app, and also the Sensi app, okay, this is a breeze, okay. If you stick around to the end of the video, I'll give you a tip on how to even do this faster. Okay, now we're gonna fire up the smartphone. All right, and first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the Sensi app, up there at the top, press it, press get started. Open it just once with the Amazon Alexa. Okay, now we're at the Alexa app. Okay, and it says it's got a skill called Sensi. You want to enable the skill. Mine's already enabled because I've been playing around with this. Also, we don't want to link anything. You can see here I have a lamp that's presently off, already tied to Alexa. And now we're going to add another one. So we press the plus button, add device, scroll down, thermostat. Okay, what type of thermostat? Well, there it is, number 5 on the list, Sensi. Okay, and press the discover devices. Okay, now you can see here on the left, Alexa, the blue ring is going around and round, and it is trying to discover any new devices. So this might take just a few minutes. This is real time. I'm not editing this at all. It says it may take up to 45 seconds, more like 30, 25, 30. And when it's done, of course, the app will show you and the Alexa will quit with the blue ring going around it. Okay, it said it discovered a thermostat. You notice Alexa stopped. Add the thermostat to a group. Well, that's only if you got a whole bunch of thermostats in a group or a house with a bunch of things in that one house. So this we're just going to leave alone. Okay, and we're going to go to the Sensi there, which is the new device right at the top. And you see, just like in the app, it's exactly the same thing. Now,
Alexa, set thermostat to 85.
The AC is set to 85.
And just like that, there it is, set to 85.
Alexa, set thermostat to 80.
The AC is set to 80.
And just like that, it's back to 80. So this is enabled right now. Okay, if you enjoyed this, please subscribe. It's the subscribe link is right down here. Share it with your friends and family. Comment in the discussion area below. Let me know what you think. If you have a different type of thermostat, let me know that. And if it pairs to Alexa. And until then, this is John Bell signing off. And remember to watch the other 2 videos.
This is John Bell, thanking you for watching reviews. If you see this on Facebook, please like it. If you see it on YouTube, please subscribe. Until the next time, I wish you good luck and good night. May God bless.
That's all, folks.